Alright, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Just got this in. This is probably going to be my new main mic for my video camera setup. Right now I'm using a TAKSTAR. I'll show you that later, but right now we're just going to unbox this guy. This just came in the mail. There it is. Little box there. Let's open it up. Okay, on here. Oops. Yeah, there you go. Boom. Okay. There it is. Like that. The shock mount, the Ryote shock mount. Little foam there. Cool. So cute, so tiny, looks good. Instruction manual, little cable. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Little marks on the top there, tells you where to put it. Assembled like that, very nice. Now let's put the little foam guy on. Boom. It smells really good. I don't know if it's just me, but I love smelling new tech. Right when it comes out of the box, it's got that fresh, out of the factory smell. I know I'm weird, but I don't know, I've always just done it and it's like, fresh tech smell. They should make a candle like that. Anyways, got the Rode set up here. Why don't we stick it on the camera and we'll see how it sounds. And we can compare the sound. This right now, it's, what's this recording on? It's recording on a shotgun mic attached to my A7S. It's the mic that's attached right now is called the TAKSTAR. It's called the TAKSTAR SGC598, and I believe this was a really cheap mic that I got off Amazon a long time ago. Yeah, we'll see how it sounds against the Rode. Really curious. Let's swap it over. So right now you're listening to the TAKSTAR, and right now we are listening to the Rode VideoMic Go 2. How's it sound? All the settings are exactly the same on the camera. So how's it sound? Testing. My name is Victor. You're watching Slickderoid. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we'll get into the computer and see how it is. So this, I'll show you. This was the old mic. This is a lot bigger, and this is actually battery powered. Runs on a one AA battery. For this mic, the previous mic, this is the TAKSTAR SGC598. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. Just a cheap mic from China, order off Amazon. I think it's under 50 bucks, but it did the trick. So I'm curious to see how this cheap mic compares to the Rode mic, which is also a pretty good price. It's $100 American, $120 Canadian, and I like the compact size of it, and it's a lot smaller than the mic I was using before, this big one, and I don't have to worry about powering of AA, but since this is battery powered, I'm not sure. This one might actually sound alright by itself, but not having to worry about the battery is a big thing. So this mic is just a really nice run and gun. Pop it into your camera and you're good to go. So yeah, let's see if the sound quality matches up. Alright, we're just going to do a quick audio test. I'm just going to read the first line off the box. The VideoMic Go 2 is a versatile and lightweight shotgun microphone that excels in a range of recording applications. And this is the VideoMic Go 2 that you're listening to right now. We'll switch it over to my old mic, the TAKSTAR. Okay, we're on the TAKSTAR right now. Let's do a quick read. The VideoMic Go 2 is a versatile and lightweight shotgun microphone that excels in a range of recording applications. Alright, well, we're just going to use the TAKSTAR while I talk about this Rode VideoMic Go 2. Again, size is the big thing, I think. If you're going to grab this is great for if you vlog or if size is a concern to you. This is like, I think, the perfect size for just easy recording options. Sounds way better than obviously the stock scratch microphone on your camera. Yeah, this is like a really versatile little mic, I think, just for camera work, but also if you're doing Zoom calls. A lot of people are on the computer now. There is a USB-C connection on the side, and you can directly plug it into your computer, and it reads as a mic right away. You can also download the Rode app on the computer and phone, and you can tweak the settings on it. It's actually really in-depth, and that's a really nice feature if you're going to be using this on the computer, or if you have a podcast or you record your own voice. It's a huge plus. For me, I'm mainly going to use this probably just on my camera. Really versatile. For the price, I think it's great. And yeah, it sounds pretty good. So leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the Rode. Is it the mic you're going to go for? Or are you just going to go for something cheap like the TAKSTAR? I don't know. There is any mic, I think, is better than the stock. Obviously, just the scratch audio coming out of your camera. So there's a lot of options now for mics. I think choose one that's right for you within your budget, and yeah, just go from there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. See you in the next one.